Alright guys, well today we're back down at WB & Sons for the September auction, and this one we're going to have a look at some of the project cars that's available. So we'll get in, we'll have a look about and see what there is. So this is a rare thing. It's a Vauxhall Cavalier. It's a sport hatch, as you can see there. There's not many of these left. I mean, you don't see them. Obviously what the Opel Manta was based on. So this is the auto version. It's had one previous keeper from new. Clean enough in there, a little bit split there, but for the age of the car it's nothing. And the mileage, guys, is 26,000 mile. Unreal. Obviously the Cavalier is a project car, will require restoration, but it's a full complete car. Carpets are all good. Unbelievable thing. Wings look canny. Not too bad at all. A tiny bit there, just below the battery tray. And a bit there on the other side. Can you see that, guys? Just under the battery tray, but kind of nothing. Obviously it will need full restoration. So it's had its current keeper since 1985, and then it's been in storage since 1986. Car's only 1980, so 6-year-old when it was parked up. The guide price on the Cavalier Sport Hatch is £46,000. And we've got this Mark II Fiesta. This is a bonus model. Showing, you can't really see there, but that's 49,000 mile. Again, not too bad in there. So this little Fiesta, still showing the dealer stickers and the dealer plates. And the HCS motor, and the wings don't look too bad. A bit dark there, it's dead day, it's very bright sunshine. There's a bit surface rust in that corner, but again it's not too bad. Still looks fairly solid, just surface. So the guide price on this Fiesta bonus is £45,000. This one's a Citroen C4. It's a bit of a World Rally Car replica, but it is actually a limited run, a Loeb edition, as in Sebastian Loeb, World Rally Champion. This one's been converted into a bit of a road rally car. Which I'm surprised to see. It's a 1600 HDI motor. I didn't expect that in there. Obviously turbo diesel. So it's a bit stripped out in here, guys. No carpet. Seat has been changed. It's got half a cage in the back. Smells like a competition vehicle. This is switch panel in the middle there. So that's a 1 of 400 Loeb edition, and it's offered as a no reserve. Next up is Mark II Golf GTI 5-door. It's not too bad of a car. Interior is not too bad in here. There's a little bit wear on that bolster, but it's not too bad. Back seats look canny. Showing 111,000 mile. Dash top looks alright. It's quite a tidy car, this Mark II GDI. So obviously this is the 8-valve motor. Everything's look alright. Oh, you're in the shadows a bit there. The sun's lovely today. Chassis rails don't look too bad. The guide price on the Mark II GDI, £3,000 to £4,000. VW Lupo. It's a cool thing, sat there on them alloys. Obviously it's being lowered. It's quite standard in there, guys, showing 108,000 mile. Can you see that? And in the back there, I'd imagine they're the spare wheels for it and some bits and pieces in the back there. Or a seat by the looks of it. Guide on the little Lupo is £800 to £1,400. I've got this little Peugeot 106. 2 owners from new. The current owner has had it since 2004. Very clean little car in here. It's a Digi dash, but it has got 57,000 mile on. Quite a tidy little car, that. The guide price on the 106 is £1,000 to £1,500. So the Sierra, yeah, it's a Sierra XR4x4. Obviously it's a bit of a project car. There's the bumper. Showing 22,000 mile. Do your own checks at that, mate, guys. Interior is fairly clean though, to be fair. It's had some bits of repairs on the doors there, but like you see, it's a project car. Still has all the alloys on. So that's a 2.8 motor there. A bit on the inner wing. The wings don't look too bad, other than that. It's a bit there. But looks fairly complete. So the guide price on the Sierra is £1,000 to £2,000. I've got this Mark II Cavalier. It's not an SRI, unfortunately. Not too bad in here, guys. The original Philips radio in, 5-speed. It's showing 89,000 mile. Again, it's a bit of a project car. will need some restoring. Need some work on the tailgate and the back arches there, but I don't see many Mark II Cavaliers about now either. So 8 valve carved one. It's had some paint work done on the inner wings, obviously some repairs over the years, MOT repairs most likely. Not too bad under there on the whole. So a guide price on the Mark II Cavalier is £2,000 to £3,000.